Number 6. Give a loud cry. It means to shout or scream loudly.
He gave a loud cry when he won. He gave a loud cry when he won. The audience gave a loud cry of approval. The audience gave a loud cry of approval. She gave a loud cry of surprise. She gave a loud cry of surprise.
Number 7. Give a performance. It means to perform a piece of music, act in a play, etc. in front of an audience.
The orchestra will give a performance tonight. The orchestra will give a performance tonight. She gave a stunning performance in the play. She gave a stunning performance in the play. They gave a performance that earned applause. They gave a performance that earned applause.
Number 8. Give a sigh. It means to exhale audibly in a way that expresses emotions like relief, tiredness, or sadness.
He gave a sigh of relief after the exam. He gave a sigh of relief after the exam. She gave a sigh of frustration. She gave a sigh of frustration. With a sigh, he put down the book. With a sigh, he put down the book.
Number 9. Give someone a clue. It means to provide a hint or help in solving a problem.
Can you give me a clue about the riddle? Can you give me a clue about the riddle? She gave him a clue to find his gift. She gave him a clue to find his gift. He wouldn't give a clue about the surprise. He wouldn't give a clue about the surprise.
Number 10. Give someone instructions. It means to explain to someone how to do something.
She gave him instructions on how to install the software. She gave him instructions on how to install the software. The boss gave clear instructions for the task. The boss gave clear instructions for the task. I was given instructions to arrive early. I was given instructions to arrive early.